I am the owner of McLaren number 787, built in 1904 in Leeds. I think I think there's a lot of schools like the metal work classes have shut down, haven't they, due to health and safety. Now they're not getting involved in the engineering side of things, so young people need encouraging, because in years to come there'll be no skills left, will there? You know, it's just one of those things where you've got to encourage younger people, because kids just can't just sit on computers all day. You know, they've got to get out and about and start learning how to make things and make Britain like rule the world again, rather than trying to make everything. You know, it's yeah, you know.
Don't you know, talking about a revolution sounds. Don't you know?